Yeah, welcome back to another lesson on Google Sheets. In this particular lesson, I will be taking you through how you can access Google Sheets. In order to get access to Google Sheets, first of all, you need a Google account. If you don't have a Google account or if you have an existing one but you are looking to create more Google account, I have a video on this channel. I'll leave it at the end of this video so that you can check that out. After successfully creating your account, make sure to open your Chrome browser, then you navigate your mouse to Google Apps. Over here in Google Apps, you scroll down to Sheet and then you select it. This is the interface for Google Sheets. You can click on this to create a new blank spreadsheet, and then you can also browse through the template gallery. When I click on blank spreadsheet, it will open a new spreadsheet for me, and then you can double click on this to rename. Say Darley Woolley. When you rename, the good thing about Google Sheets is that it automatically saves your work in the cloud. You can also browse through the template gallery. So there is a limitation to this. Google Sheets has few templates on personal, work, project management, and education. These templates are very, very limited, so you cannot really rely on them. You can also look for inspiration on Microsoft Excel and you can use it to create your own template in Google Sheets. Okay. You can see that with personal, there is the to-do list, the annual budget, the monthly budget, the annual calendar, wedding planner, travel planner, and the work aspect, we have invoice, expense reports, purchase order. So the important ones, we have employee shift schedule, customer relationship management, and with project management, there is the Gantt chart, the project timeline, project tracking, and we have our event marketing timeline. You can explore some of these things at your free time. It's very, very helpful to use some of these templates and you don't have to start your own template from scratch. It also saves you time.